Hello everybody, and I'm playing with my big sister. It's a really fun day, yeah! And we're not gonna be killing each other. And I am like do mines. Actually, I'm just gonna do slash work.
Is there any coming to my place? Because I have all your stuff.
This one. Slash what?
Where'd you go?
Mines.
Okay, come here. Hey,
Jane, very important. Get everything dirty in your bathroom and put it in the washing machine. I did not start it yet. Everything. Yeah. All your dirty clothes. We have some other stuff on your floor. Well, go get it all and put it in the washing machine, please.
Okay,
Hey, you can put that in there too.
is there any weird?
You can take a shower if you want. Just get all of your dirty stuff. I would like you to take a shower.
Are you
Get all of your dirty stuff in the washer while I'm on inside the machine itself, please.
Are you coming?
If it is not done, I will turn the internet off when I get home.
Was that what happened?
I want her to get all of her dirty laundry in the washing machine
Please.
while we're gone. We'll be back in about half an hour.
So we'll do it right now and then you can play.
I'm waiting for Nathan. Hey, hurry up. I have all these.
Oh my gosh, I have an level 19 boots.
Dude, are you
I don't even need boots.
Fine, I'll get the boots back into my chest. Boots.
Yeah, you can keep the boots, and I'll take all the other armor.
Are you gonna turn that?
Does she have a share like, what's it called? Like okay.
Wait, am I
Oh
wearing
my god, that's so terrible.
I'm keeping on.
I just noticed that you won't let me in. Let me in, Jane. Thank you for changing your skin, too. I hope you kept your skin like you changed it. Really? Why?
Okay, come in, Nathan.
Come in, I want it. Ooh! We're the little evil family.
Jane.
Just so you know, you can control C and control V it by shift back arrowing. Oops. I'm just gonna break your door. Oh, good, you're here. Yay! You get to keep your boots because I already have some beautiful ones on. Also, I don't put in any pants. Chest plate and helmet, please.
You need a chest plate.
Yeah, I know that.
Here you go.
No, I don't want pants. Fine, I'll have the pants. Wait, give me my helmet.
Yes. Hey, here you go. I look awesome.
I think I look better. Where's my helmet? Yay! I'm okay. I'm just not gonna put on my pants.
So weirdo. I'll kick you out if you don't wear anything.
You can't kick me out of the server. Fine, I'll put on my pants.
Yeah.
Ooh, I got sharpness 19, 21 attack damage. It's an actual real sharpness 19. Means I can kill it. Oh, I can't PvP in here. I have plenty of iron. You want some?
Here you go.
You know, I can make myself a shield. Except they're kind of useless.
Dude, you just gave me back my little.
Where are my diamonds? Where's my axe?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. It didn't pop up in my inventory, literally. What's wrong with my computer? I think my computer's broken.
I actually took it.
Thank you for the axe. I don't need a pickaxe. And my diamonds.
You want a sword?
No,
Now get
I
out.
have one. Oops.
Do you want to go battle? So let's go. What is it called again?
Oh, right.
How do we get out of here? Word?
Do slash work. Why is it not working? Info area. Yeah, we can kill some noobs.
Dude, we will. I have my enchanted sword.
I haven't even gotten in. Ah, don't kill me, okay?
1, 2, 3, battle. Royale.
I do more damage than you. I'm so sorry.
Dude, please give me your other son if you kill me. Hey, you're cheating.
No, I want to break. Let me get all my stuff home. There's the spirit froggo.
Slimo. Hi. Hi. Come on, McNoob. Come on, let's fight on.
I'm going to my place. Bye.
No, let's fight on the bridge. Oh.
No, I'm just putting away my iron.
Okay.
Should I keep on my pants?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it won't keep your armor.
Yeah. Also, Jane, please do not keep my armor. Real quick, I have to put all my stuff on the armor stands. Like my one pair of boots that's really useful.
Can I have a few armor stands? I want to know how they're going.
Yeah. Actually, wait. You want to know how to make it? Okay, I'll show you.
Later, okay?
Okay, later. Since I am recording, it's only been about 6 minutes. Yeah.
Oopsies.
Now this is just for like all my stuff.
By the way,
I'm just putting away all my. Oh, I got a key. I got some type of key. I'm not gonna open it
someone's
yet.
coming by. I'm leaving the pitch now. I don't want to be killed. I don't want to
Babe.
my beautiful enchanted.
T/4.
My turn
Go to.
has 16 attack damage.
Mine has 19. I mean 21. It says that on it. Wait, or does
Wait,
it?
why do I have a pickaxe?
Mine has 17 attack damage.
Ooh.
Oh, whack. I hate you. Gonna kill me. Mine does 17. Is this weirdo? That's not wearing pants on the
Let's go, dude,
boot.
let's
He just
go.
left the game.
Come on, Nathan.
Mine does 16 attack damage and I have special boots.
Nathan, can you ask why did you kill me?
Somebody just took it.
All
I'm
of it?
sorry. Except for maybe the helmet.
Can I have the helmet?
Yeah.
I don't
Just
want the helmet.
Go
Oh,
jump off of the bridge.
no. I have my pickaxe.
I put down all my items. I'm smart.
Dude, where
I cannot believe I killed you.
are you?
I'm over under the bridge. I just dropped. Oh no.
What bridge?
This bridge, the bridge that we were fighting on.
What bridge?
This bridge with the purple carpet that we were fighting on.
I can't find it.
Okay, then just go to the random tree house. Not really. It's not even.
Ooh, it's
I just got
wet.
killed. I just got killed
Darn it.
with all your
I'm gonna
items.
go back to my place.
So am I. I'm gonna make an iron set.
Oh, I have an iron set for you ready.
Now I'm just gonna make myself.
Do you want diamonds?
No, yes. I cannot really make like.
How? What do you call it again?
Hi, little lady.
How do you go back to your place?
Are you playing the game? Yeah, yes, kid, you're playing the game. Now I'm just gonna. Bye. I'm going to my house.
How? Someone is hitting me and I press enter. Dude, come meet me here. And then we kill someone, okay?
After I make myself a set of iron. Oh wait, I forgot. I could just do this.
If I have a ton of potions now, I'm gonna get some stuff.
I'm not gonna be wearing pants. I'm sorry. I wish I could close your door. Whee! Hi, I'm not wearing pants. I'm sorry. How many chests do you have? And why do you have so... Of what?
Riches, I have a bag of swords, like a whole chest full of them.
Whoa, you have the diamond mine?
Hey, I'm gonna go to the diamond mine. Bye. How is it? What is it again? Then I'm gonna go to the mine. Hey, mine. Dude, let's go on. I have strength. Let's fight again. Do you want another set of diamond? Do you want another set of diamond?
I linked up 4 times.
Here you go, Nathan. Go to pair 5. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, Nathan. Okay, I'm waiting in the info area.
I'm linking up. I'm using my link up stuff. Oh my gosh, I got so many things. I got diamond boots again. Yay. And pants I don't even want. And 4 sacks of diamond blocks. And plenty of clay.
I died!
I went to my house. Do you want a stack of diamond blocks? Okay, come inside of my house. I'll let you in. I usually have the door closed. Wait, my door's not even closed.
Dude, it's not working. Never mind. I'm coming in a few minutes. Helper.
Also, I'll give you some diamond gear too, okay? $10 million. How am I supposed to pay off 10 million? Jane, go through the door. It's right over here. If you don't see me, I can't even get on top of the bricks. I know you're a little evil kitty. I'll just be waiting right here and you follow me. I'm not little evil kitty, I'm little evil wolf, okay?
I know.
I'm a wolf, not a kitty. You don't even look like a kitty. Hi! I'll show you the way to the entrance. Okay, oh, you know it, that's really sad. Okay, let's go over by the armor stands and I can show you how you make one. So I need sticks. You put 3 sticks all on the top, and then 2 on the bottom, and then all 3 on the bottom. No, 2 on the bottom, left and right. Yeah. And a stone slab. Show me on your crafting table. Oops. Okay. I need sticks. And a stone slab. Sorry guys, it's yeah. I need sticks, not these. So how do you make a stone slab? Make stone slabs? Yeah. By putting 3 stone like this. Okay? Like what? Like 3 stone like this. Pretend that these sticks